Okay, so first morning up, well, I did wake up halfway through the night and have to put myself against the back wall. I kept sneezing and my nose was getting really stuffy. And I don't know if I have a cold, so I put tissue up my nose to stop from sneezing because it hurts so bad. I think it's just a reaction to all the stuff they put in me yesterday. But I don't want to sneeze because it just hurts really bad. So I tried to prevent myself from breathing through my nose, which seems to trigger it. But I woke up feeling more today, realizing how much it was still numb yesterday. But I slept pretty good, and I slept with my bind on, my little wrappy thing. And honestly, I got this at Ross like years ago, and it's for like weightlifting, I think, or something. But I used it for my diastasis and when my stomach hurt. So it actually was really comforting to have it there. It kind of kept things in, and I slept mostly on my back. But I woke up at 2, like I said, and repositioned. I took some more ibuprofen. It is, I don't know, like 7 o'clock right now, and I just took 600 milligrams again. I hadn't taken 6 yet. I'd just been taking 4. So, and it hurts a lot more. And I just tried to do number 2, and like only half came out, and I could not push the rest out. So Jeff is making me coffee right now, so hopefully, because coffee makes you poop. But I like don't want to move, you know, like it hurts. It's half the swelling is down though. I'll show you. You can actually see a little ridge, whereas before you couldn't even see a ridge. It was just so swollen. And this is still kind of numb right here, like, but I can feel my touch. But like all right here just hurts. So you kind of realize how much you use your core when you have this happen. Okay, I'll give another update probably tomorrow. I feel like I'm going to probably be here all day, just not wanting to walk around that much, but I will get up and walk. Because they say that you really should be exercising, or not exercising, but like you should walk like 5 or 10 minutes a day, and then increase that each day. So I'll be in touch. I'll update soon. Okay. Hey guys. So I took a vicodin about 45 minutes ago, and it started to kick in about 20 minutes ago. So the pain level was so getting there that I just decided to take one, which was a good move because now the pain is tolerable. And then I took a shower, and technically I can take off my bandage, so I wanted to do that after shower, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like because I haven't seen it yet either. So I'll try to do this here. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I'm scared. I'm trying to do it when I feel brave, because I kind of just want to keep it on. It doesn't hurt too bad to take it off, though I've seen other people take off their bandages and they seem to be in less pain. So I'm trying to and I don't think you'll get to see all of it because there is some like adhesive tape over the actual wound. Oh my gosh, it's so stuck. I don't know, the video just turned off. Okay. Ow. Okay, well, there it is. Can't really see anything. Actually better. I don't know. Can you see that? It's really hard with this selfie mode camera. But I'm not supposed to take that tape off until it falls off on its own, so the swelling has gone down quite a bit, and I don't see that bulgy thing there that I used to see all the time, so that's good. But this is all like really swollen, and it hurts, obviously. So there you go. Sorry for the booby shot. This is a swim top, but whatever. Okay, so that's it for day 2. I'll post something probably tomorrow, see just an update. But anyways, there you go.